The 7-piece Betanull Crevice cleaning brush set, and each has a specific job. So I'll break them down for you. This comes with 3. There are 2 of these and 3 of these. So the narrow crevice brush are really the reason I purchased these in the first place. I reach for these when I need to get into genuinely tight spaces, gaps in equipment, tight channels, areas where nothing else fits. The narrow profile isn't a compromise in bristle strength. It's just a more targeted shape. And for workshop cleaning, where there are constantly narrow spaces around blade guards, fence channels, and equipment joints, these are genuinely useful. The bristles are sturdy, PP material, solid and durable, and they hold up to repeated use without bending out of shape. The 2 right angle scrub brushes, you can see I've used this one a lot. The curved ends are a really smart design. That curved end means the bristles make full contact with the interior of whatever I'm cleaning, like bottles, cylinders, curved interior surfaces. In the workshop context, I use these for cleaning out dust collection fittings, curved tool housings, and anywhere a straight brush just can't make proper contact because of the shape of the interior. So these aren't just for kitchen bottle cleaning. They're genuinely useful for anything with a curved interior that needs real scrubbing contact. So now, the 3 wire brushes, and this is the part of this set that I think makes it genuinely special for workshop use. 3 different bristle materials, 3 completely different jobs. And knowing which one to use for what is what makes this set work so well. So the brass bristle brush is the one I use most in the workshop, and I'm going to demonstrate it for you right now on my chainsaw and on my router bit. Pitch and resin buildup on a chainsaw chain is one of those cleaning jobs that just requires real bristle strength and also the right material. So brass is harder than nylon but softer than steel, which makes it means it can work through resin and pitch buildup on metal without scratching or scoring the chain links themselves. So watch how it just gets into the spaces between the channel lengths, and that's exactly the kind of access that makes this brush so effective for this job. I also use this brush on table saw blades and router bits where pitch and resin accumulate in the gullets and cutting edges. Same principle, enough bristle strength to remove the buildup. Soft enough that the cutting edges aren't being damaged in the process. The stainless steel brush is the most aggressive of the 3, and it's what I reach for when rust or corrosion is the issue. On tool surfaces, on hardware, anywhere there's oxidation that needs real mechanical removal. Steel on steel, and the stiffness of the bristles means it cuts through surface rust efficiently. This is not a brush for delicate surfaces. It's for situations where you need serious cleaning power and surface sensitivity is not the concern. The nylon bristle brush, which has the black handle, is the one I use for surfaces I don't want to scratch. So more delicate tool surfaces, finished metal, anything where the goal is cleaning without marking, the nylon bristles are gentle enough that they won't score a surface, but they still have enough body to actually dislodge grime and residue rather than just moving it around. For precision tool components, optical surfaces, on measuring equipment, or anything where finish matters, this is the right brush. And all 3 handles are ergonomically designed for a very comfortable, secure grip, which matters when the cleaning requires some pressure. I'm not fighting the brush or repositioning my hand constantly. The handle shape supports a natural grip that lets the bristles do the work. They rinse clean easily after use and air dry quickly, which means maintenance on the bristles themselves is nothing. A quick rinse and they're ready for the next job. So for anyone with a workshop where cleaning the tools is just as important as using them and where the right brush for the surface genuinely matters, this 7-piece set covers every situation I have run into. So I'm a big fan of this. Go check them out.